Ciao Tesla people. So I installed the Tesla OS update 2025.44.3. So I wanted to go over the bugs that I found. One bug I found it last year, and I think it's not being fixed, and I'm not sure it's going to be ever fixed. It's about UI. And the other one is a bug that Tesla Model Y Performance Juniper has it, and was found by a fellow YouTuber, eRocket, okay? And then the other thing is, last time when I installed the Tesla OS update, 2025.44.3, there was one feature that I couldn't figure out, and then two guys comment on my videos, and they said, hey Alessandro, check it out here. So let's check it out right away. So the feature was in the cameras. On the list of the screens, you could go to the grid. And here is the grid. I thought that there was an icon or something, but in reality, here is the grid. And it shows you all the things. This is me, okay? So it shows you all the cameras, which is pretty cool. So you have a view of all the cameras right away. Very cool. So let's go through the bugs. So let's start with the bug that eRocket found, Paolo, and it's the one for Tesla Model Y Performance Juniper. So if you go to the dynamics in the ride handling, oh yeah, it's still here. So in ride handling, you have two options, standard and sport. So no matter what you put, it will always stay in sport. So if I put standard, I go around, come back and leave the car, and then come back to the car, it will switch automatically to sport. Now they fix some of this stuff with the latest update, but you see it's still in sport. I went around probably yesterday morning or 2 days ago, and I didn't use the car, and I was in standard because I use standard mode around here, and it switched automatically to sport. So it's not fixed 100%, okay? And it's kind of random, so I couldn't figure out what's the problem. Right now, the only thing common is that I ride around in standard, then I ride the car, come back home, leave the car, park the car, leave the car, go home and whatever. And then when I came back for a long time, so a few hours, it's set to sport. So I guess it switched to sport. My take is that it will switch when you finish the ride, and for some time you go back to the car and it's in sport. I'm not sure. I'm going to keep track of this, and we'll see how it goes. Then the other bug, which is the one I found last year, probably in September, so it's more than a year, is a UI bug, which I think is a bug. So there is the climate control over here and the wipers up that I use, okay? So if I set I turn on the climate control, you get the UI, okay? But if I call the wipers up, it doesn't show, but in reality it's underneath. Did you see? So look, for example, let's go back to the cameras, okay? Now if I invoke the wipers, it shows here, which is good. But then if I invoke the app for the climate control, it goes up, and the wipers, it's actually under here. What is supposed to happen for me is that if you invoke the climate control and then you invoke the app for wipers, it should go down this guy and should show you this. Otherwise, it's not how it's working. Yeah, of course you can just push again this and it goes down, but you don't want to do that. It's supposed to come down the app, the climate, and did you see other apps have a similar behavior? So if you invoke an app, the other app should go down so that you can use the app that you selected. Anyway, these are the two bugs, and then the other feature that I wanted to mention. Check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, use my referral code. The link is in the description. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share a comment, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.